Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's live session. So today in our science subject we are going to revise about the plants and we'll learn some more concepts about plants. Okay children, so here we are talking about the parts of a leaf. So you are seeing we have labeled with so many parts of the leaf here, and we are going to just revise it and learn something more about the leaf here. So leaves are the most important part of a plant. As we said, leaves are the most important part of a plant and they contain chlorophyll that helps the plants to prepare their food using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Now we learned this that plants make their own food. No, and the leaf is going to make the food. By what? By chlorophyll, because leaf contain chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is going to help the plants to prepare food using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Okay children, clear? A leaf consists of three main parts. What are they? Petioles, leaf base and lamina. Where are they? Petioles, here, petiole, leaf base and lamina. So here we can see the petiole here, this part, leaf blade, a flat and broad surface part of the leaf, and lamina. Lamina is nothing but the thin layers. We call it as veins also. We can call them as with the thin layers, okay. So and this petiole, what is this petiole? It is just joining, this part is joining the leaf to the stem. Okay, like this stalk, we can call this as a stalk which is joining the stem. Okay, so this leaf contains three parts: petiole, lamina and leaf blade. Okay, so the petiole keeps the leaf blade exposed to wind and cools the leaf. What happens? What do this petiole do, children? It is going to keep the leaf blade exposed to sun. In the sense here, this petiole, what does it do? It makes this leaf blade to get air. And it cools the leaf. Exposed in the sense uncovered, without any cover. Okay, this petiole makes the leaf blade, in the sense this leaf blade, to get air and it cools the leaf. Clear children? Yes. Now what is the next one? The leaf base is a protruding part of a leaf. Yes, the leaf base is a protruding part of a leaf. Yes, what is this protruding part, children? A protruding part is nothing but expanding part. So where is the leaf base here? Here. If you see, here is the leaf base, this one. So this part is going to extend, going to expand, going to grow more in the size. Okay, so this is the expanding part of a leaf. Clear children? Now, so the lamina of the leaf contains veins. The lamina of the leaf contains veins and veinlets that provide rigidity to the leaf blade and help in the transport of mineral nutrients. What is the lamina? So the lamina, what that lamina do? What we said, that lamina is a thin layer, in the sense, like we said, no, veins. It contains leaf contains veins. You can see here the small lines. Okay, these are nothing but the lamina, and the lamina of the leaf contains veins and veinlets. And what these veins do? They are going to help in transport the minerals and nutrients. We already learned, no children, these veins are helping the plant for the supply of nutrients and minerals. Yes or no? So they are like here you can see, you are having a word here, rigid. In the sense here, these veins and veinlets that provide rigidity, in the sense these veins are stiff. They are giving tightness, they are giving stiffness. They are not, they can't move actually. These veins can't move. Okay, and then they also help in the transport of minerals and nutrients which comes from the water. Okay, where do the leaf get the water? From the roots. No, actually from the roots we get water, and through water we get minerals. No, that minerals and nutrients are being supplied by the veins. And where are these veins? Yes, they are the lamina of the leaf. Okay children, clear? Okay then. Leaves are also called food factories of the plants because it is the leaves that manufactures the food. Even we learnt in the beginning that leaves are called as food factories. Why? Because they produce food. Okay, and they produce food, they manufacture food, they make food through the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. And what is this process called as? Do you remember children? It is called as photosynthesis. Okay, so leaves are called as food factories. Clear children? Now about flowers, fruits and seeds. So the most beautiful part of the plant is the flower. Obviously, so whenever we see a plant with a flower, we first get attracted to the flower. Why? Because it is so beautiful for our sight. No? Yes. So we see flowers like rose, jasmine and lotus. So we are having so many flowers in nature, but normally we see flowers, for example, like rose, jasmine and lotus, and flowers, as we said, are of many colors, so many shapes and so many sizes. Yes or no? If you see rose, maximum with so many petals and in so many colors. Jasmine, we'll see it mostly in white color. No, even lotus also we have so many colors and in a different shape. Like all the flowers are different from each other, and most of the flowers look very beautiful, and many flowers have a pleasant fragrance too. Pleasant fragrance. What do you mean by fragrance, children? A smell. Okay, like we prepare perfumes. Perfumes, no? By what do we prepare perfumes? Through flowers, through the petals of the flowers. So perfumes have been manufactured. So we'll be using perfumes with very good smell. No, that is known as pleasant fragrance. Okay, the flowers of different plants grow into fruits. So we'll get fruits. First, we'll have a flower, and from that flower, we will get fruits. Okay, children. So the flowers of different plants grow into flowers. Okay, clear? Yes, now. We all like to eat fruits because mostly they are fleshy, tasty and juicy. Now we are going to talk about the fruits and seeds. Okay, so many fruits, seasonal fruits. No, so everybody would love to eat fruits. Thing is, because of the taste? No, because of the taste. And because of the taste and health also. If we eat fruits, if we take plenty of fruits, no, it is very good for our health. So we all like to eat fruits because mostly they are fleshy, tasty and juicy. Fruit juices like grape juice, pineapple juice, mango juice, so many juices from different type of fruits. No, children, definitely we love to have them. Most of the fruits contain seeds inside them. Most of the fruits contain what? Seeds. They contain seeds inside them. So as you are seeing in the picture, see here which fruit is there? Papaya. Here pomegranate. Here apple. No, we are having seeds in the fruits, inside the fruits. Some fruits have only one seed, others have a number of seeds. Yes, say as we said, here if you see apple, it's having just one or two, three seeds, very less seeds it have in the center of the fruit, inside it. And here if you see pomegranate, so many seeds, and here papaya, so many seeds. So some fruits like the papaya and watermelon contain many seeds inside them, as we saw in the picture here. For papaya, even we had so many watermelon in summers, no? So they contain so many seeds. Some fruits like oranges, apples, etc. contain a few seeds inside them. Like for example, if you take oranges, as I said before, and the apple, so they contain very few seeds, 2, 3, 4, no, that's not more than that. And one seeded fruits like the mango and peach. If you go, if you see a mango seed, so it's big in size, no, it's large in size, and it has only one seed. The mango fruit has only one seed, even peach also, only one seed. So, and some fruits like the banana have no seeds. So, every day we'll have bananas. And do they contain any seed, children? No, they don't have any seeds. So, if you observe, so plants give us different type of fruits, and in that fruits we have seeds, and even that seeds are also, they also differ from one fruit to another fruit. Some may give us one seed, some more than one, or two or three, or some plenty. Like for example, pomegranate, papaya, watermelon, plenty of seeds we can see. And some fruits are there where we don't have any seed. That is what? A banana fruit. Okay, clear children? Yes, this is about fruits and seeds. Now we'll see how how these seeds are going to grow, and this process is known as germination. This process is known as germination. Most plants grow from their seeds. Most of the plants grow from their seeds. No children, if we sow a seed in the soil, then we will be able to get the plant. See in the picture here, it is very clearly shown to you. So this seed, first we just sowed a seed, and then that seed slowly it is going into a plant. See, like how, like a small baby becoming a man or a woman. No, same like that, even our plant is also growing in different sizes. Okay, each seed contains a baby plant inside them. Yes, each seed. So when we sow a seed, in that seed we will be having a small plant, that is a baby plant. Every seed contains a baby plant. It is protected by the outer part of the seed, which also stores food for the baby plant. What does this seed do? It is having a baby plant inside it. Then it is going to protect that baby plant. The outer part of that seed, that is the outer part of that seed is going to protect the baby plant, and it also stores the food for the baby plant. Food in the sense what, children? What are all the mineral nutrients what we are giving in the form of water? Here food means all the minerals and nutrients through water. Okay, so it is storing the food for the baby plant, and the baby plant grows when the seed gets air, water and sunlight. No, so the baby plant is growing when the seed gets air, water and sunlight. Not only water, even the baby plant has to get air and also sunlight. Then it starts growing. It keeps growing. Yes, children, it keeps growing till it becomes an adult plant. See here, if you see, a small seed started growing from this stage to this big adult tree, no? So first it was a seed, and inside it there was a baby plant, and it started giving a small root and a small leaf. Here you can see in the picture, and this, when we get a small root and a leaf, this is called as embryo. This is called as a embryo, and after that again it grows a little more. Okay, and there, if you see this outer layer of the seed, this outer layer of the seed, this is called as a seed coat. This is called as a seed coat. It is going to protect the plant, as we said. Okay, so it starts growing from embryo, seed coat, and then different parts here, and then at last it becomes a adult plant. And this total process of a plant, where it germinates from the small seed till the adult plant, this total process is called as the life cycle. What we call it as life cycle of the plant. Clear, children? So the first we will have a seed, and it is going to give us a plant, in the sense a small roots and leaves. That process is called as germination actually. That is called as it is germinating. The seed is germinating. Clear, children? And so what is the function of fruits and seeds? Like a fruit protects the seeds within it. Okay. From these seeds new plants grow. So the fruits, if you see fruits, as we said, papaya, pomegranate and all that, they are going to protect the seeds inside it, within it, in the sense inside them, they are going to protect their seeds. And from that seeds, what happens? New plants grow. And with every seed has a baby plant within it. Again in that seed, we will have a baby plant. Okay, children, we can grow plants with the help of those baby plants. Clear, children? Okay. Now, again next, what we will see the uses of plants. Plants are useful for us. How they are useful? Plants make the air clean. Plants make the air clean, yes or no? So our air is filled with so much of pollution. For example, carbon dioxide. No, because of these plants, the air gets purified. Why? The plants absorb the carbon dioxide and give us the good air, that is oxygen. Carbon dioxide is the bad air. It takes the bad air and give us the good air, that is oxygen. Yes or no, children? Now, many plants bear fruits. Plants give us tasty fruits. So we'll have taste, and we also have good health by taking fruits. For example, mango tree, apple tree, and so many. And plants, what they give? They also give us flowers. Again, flowers are used for so many purposes. Like we'll have perfumes, we'll get oil. No, we can decorate the occasions, happy occasions like wedding, birthdays, whatever it may be. Okay, we'll also worship the gods with flowers, like so many, like sunflower, rose, jasmine, etc. No, we have so many flowers. And then many plants give us vegetables. No, vegetables, we take them as food. And in vegetables, again, so many types of vegetables. No, especially if you take leafy vegetables, it's very good for health. Okay, children? So vegetables. And then plants provide medicines to us. So many medicines are manufactured by using plants. So for example, like tulsi plant is there, neem plant is there, okay, eucalyptus plant is there. So these are all medicinal plants, even pudina, so mint, that is, okay. So plants provide us medicines, okay. Then trees provide us shade. Apart from this, they give us shade also. So that's why we'll have trees, big trees, strong, big and tall trees either side of the roads. Why? So they give shade to the passengers. No, to provide shade for the passengers who pass on that way. No, so trees give us shade. Then wood from the trees can be used to make furniture or for lighting fire. So every house has got furniture like sofa, cot, dining table, dressing table, whatever it may be. So all that furniture, that is especially wood furniture, is made by plants. Now is made by plants. Where do we get wood? From the plants. Okay, children? And we also use it for lighting fire. For lighting fire, for cooking, we'll use fire. For example, for cooking, we'll use fire, no? That is, we'll just get sticks, wood, and then we will lit the fire. Okay, children? So, we have so many advantages of plants. Clear, children? Okay. Yes, children? Let us revise about plants in the form of question and answers. Okay, children? When a seed begins to grow, it's called. When a seed begins to grow, what is it called as? It is called as germination. It is called as germination. Okay, children? I said no, it is going to germinate. That is germination. Okay. Now, this next question. Here is the part of the plant that develop the seed and fruit is the what? Is it a property, seed, fruit or flower? So answer is given here for you. The part of the plant that develops the seed and fruit is what? It is a flower. So we said no, from flower we will get seeds and also from that seeds we will get fruit. Okay. So the third question. The different stages that a plant goes through a seed to leaves, flower, fruit and back to seed is called a life cycle. The different stages that a plant goes through from a seed to leaves, flower, fruit and back to seed is called life cycle. Saying it is growing from a seed to a adult plant. No, as we learned that, so the seed is going to grow in different stages from the seed till the adult plant. Okay, this process is called as life cycle. It is called as life cycle. Okay, children? Now, the next question. So here we are seeing a seed here in our diagram, and the inside of the seed that contains the tiny leaves and root is called. So the inside of the seed that contains the tiny leaves and root is called, see here it is saying. So what is it? It is embryo here. Embryo. So if we sow a seed inside the soil, then we will see a small tiny leaves and roots start growing, which is inside the seed. From there it starts growing and that is called as embryo. This part is called as embryo. Okay, children? Yes, now the part of the plant that gives support and also carries water and nutrients to the rest of the plant. So very easy for you. Answer anyway is given here. It is stem. So what does the stem do? It's a part of the plant that gives support. It makes the plant to stand. Okay. It makes the plant to stand and it also carries water and nutrients to the rest of the plant. It is known as stem. Clear, children? Yes. The part of the fruit that holds the young plant is called as. The part of the fruit that holds the young plant is called as. What is it? It is a seed. It is a seed. The part of the plant that holds the young plant is called as seed. Okay. The layer covering the seed is called. The layer covering the seed. Layer in the sense what, children, here? This part, the outer part. The outer part. No? This part is known as what? Seed coast. It is known as seed coast. The name for a young plant that grows from a seed is called. The name for a young plant that grows from a seed is called what? Seedling. We call it as seedling. So where, I mean, from the first stage where it grows as a plant, the young plant, the name of a young plant, when we see the first leaf roofs, then that is called as the young plant. That young plant is called as seedling. Okay, children? Yes. Now that's all for today. Okay, take care. Goodbye. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.